Keep looking for it. So we are going to, do my skincare while we talk about yesterday. Yesterday we had a program in school, so the school was celebrating its 30th birthday or anniversary. It was so much fun. I really had fun. Yesterday morning I was a bit in a hurry. That is, we're literally running late. So we're supposed to be at the venue or the events at 8. That is the staffs that are not participating in anything. That is, you're not decorating, you're not arranging the chairs or doing anything, because I have a child with me. So since I won't be free to attend to things, because I'll be distracted easily because of my child, his safety and all that. So I was just common floor member, yo. And I had a lot of fun. Since I'm not participating in anything, I try as much as possible to cheer up the kids that were dancing. Oh, you are going to see it in the vlog. This part of the video will come before that one, so that you will know what's up. You get? And I don't know where exactly. Maybe to be Vlogmas the 8th, the 7th. I don't know, because there's a particular vlog that I have to go up before this. I've not edited. So yeah, it was so much fun, and I give credit to the owner of the school and the staffs, all of them. Chef kiss. So oh yeah, I've brought out this. So yeah, as I was saying, it was so fun, and my son also had a lot of fun. He was so happy because there was no school and there was music. Come here. Where's my deodorant? So yeah, it was so much fun. We really had fun. In short, the cadets, people presented their, what is it called? I think just cadets. Is it Boys and Girls Brigade? I believe that is what it's called. And we had a lot of dance. Since the school, different people from around the world goes to the school. So we had Gambia dance. They're also from West Africa, if I'm not mistaken. Gambia, the dance the Gambia. Then Igbo dance. Then Akwa Ibom dance, and the Ewe dance, Agbaja and Bobobo. Oh, I don't even have words for it. I was not able to vlog everything because my phone was overheating. So yeah, but you see it in the vlog. So let's do our skincare. I got this particular wipes from China Mall. Facial London facial wipes, and I've been using it for 5 days, 6 days now. Yeah, 6 days. And I don't know if there's changes. I don't really know, but I'll be using it for the meantime. I also need to get some moisturizer. The one I'm currently using gives me acne, but I have no choice than to use it for now. But I will still be going to China Mall to get some things. I don't know how people do it, vlogging in the market. I say market. In short, vlogging outside in general. I don't know how people do it, but kudos to you guys. Because we went to China Mall last time. I was so shy. I don't know, the video was just, you see it, I'm still editing it. The video was just so shaky. I have to cut out a lot of footage because it was too much. I can't watch such videos. But here lies the case. I'm going to put out such videos. I should stop talking much so that so I use this much because it's been breaking me out, so I don't want to use much of it. My hair was in a twist. If you see me yesterday, I was looking crazy, but that is my hair. That is the beauty of it. I don't like using much gel and edge control, so because I've been trying to grow out my edges since postpartum shading or whatever. Focus this particular side, the right side of my head. This particular one has grown well, but this particular side I'm finding it so difficult for it to, grow back. But yeah, we are getting there. Let's apply sunscreen. This particular sunscreen, I need to get another one. This particular one leaves a white cast. I look like how will I say it? I look like somebody that is about to be embalmed, because that's why I use just a little bit since I won't be going anywhere. Today is weekend, Saturday. Just use a little bit, and the sun is so hot now. We've enjoyed like 2 months cold weather or harmattan, so yeah, the weather has been so hot. You see my eyebrows, it's still white, it's still so white. Whatever, we'll make do with what we have. Let's apply Vaseline on our lips. So this is it. Okay, let's brush. I'm ready for the day, yo. So ciao, enjoy the rest of the vlog. And this week I didn't vlog much, so we'll make do with this little footage. Bye.
Don't do that. Okay.
Yes, slow man, you use this Ghana,
This thing should lock in now. Locking.
That's it now. Give it to you hard.
She missed it. Bye. Oh my God. Bye. Under this. No, why was she doing that? She didn't move none of that. I was there. He's not doing it. Only the mother papiaka for the yeah, papa. Oh, you have a straight to me. Good job, yes. So, this thing should lock in now. Lock in. That's my face. Oh, no, it's sort. 30 years. No, me, don't pass more than 30 years. Enter my phone. Let me use your hand. I see.
You're obstructing us.
No, Madam T. Okay.
Oh, Madam Favor, sit
down. Let's see something. You cannot do it. That place is so hot, eh? That place is very, very hot.
Let's go over there.
I'm supposed to spray people more. It's not that I get. The other is not this second.
It's okay, I guess they are trying. Allow them to let the cadets breathe.
So yeah, this is me looking horrible. I look so horrible. I look like my problem. Some of my colleagues, they don't know I have a YouTube channel, so I wanted to blur their faces, but I don't know. I'm like, if some of them come across my video and they say that I blurred their face, how would they feel? So since we are all adults, I just kind of let it be. Bye. Yes, now. Baba. I hope they will dance Baba. Or how do they say? Oh, focus this camera. Don't be a dickhead. Focus.
That cultural dance they are teaching them, this is that they are supposed to dress with white and wrap on their waist.
Goodness, maybe the heat. I've not practiced in the
The heat is too much.
It's that girl inside. Have you seen her? They don't have body, yes. That's the person they're supposed to carry. See that girl, this is that girl.
The other line is so careful.
Yes. Every of her body is
The other one, yeah, is not the good. The dancer.
Agbeja, what is it? Tata, let me know now. Agbaja.
You saw them dancing. We've seen it already.
Why did they stop the song? Baba Ball is about doing. Yeah, yeah. Baba Baba. Your whole body will shake. If you shoulder to dance it. Okay.
This is for Bobo. Dance.
Don't play.
What is the dance? Yes, no, that's their traditional way. So we have different types of. Yes, no. That is the way they dress. That's their traditional wear. Oh my god. That's the traditional wear. Yeah, they are. They're not sorry. It doesn't to come that since they wear slippers. They are coming down. Why did I ask them to come? Why did I ask them to come? Do I know? Why is it that? This is their dance. That's what I know. They're dancing, yeah. Okay. It's not that it's starting. People should clap your hands. Okay.
Yeah, now, are you not a teacher?
Faut les apprécier. Il faut les apprécier aussi. Il faut also appreciate them.
Okay, sorry, not your friend. Just come and pass it. Where is your front? Come and sit.
It's okay now, the patient.
Let's appreciate them and also let's give our hands to them.
I hate you this.
Cultural group. As soon as the Gambia culture performance is over, we will listen to a speech by Mrs. Obiti. I guess she's ready now. Cultural group. Music.
Last time in traditional dinner. No, I don't think so, Jao. Last time, no. Your hair is obstructing us. Too precious. It's obstructing us. Yo, anti-patience now. Your waist cannot shake like that.
This guy has waist. These guys are keep looking for it.
Give me my purse.
Who is it? My bag. Your bag. If you should bring the bag.
Where is the bag? Where is the bag? Where is the bag?
I am a big boy.
Is that not your bag? Where is the coins? Take care, honey. I got the phone. Is there?
That is love. See what I have? Can I throw you? Can I throw you?
You really train your child, madam. That's why she's in Togo.
See what they are doing. It's not just to wine waist. What else is there? I can wear my waist now. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. The other boy. Hey.
You are a suspect.
I should give you that back.
Ibo, Kwenu! Ibo, Kwenu!
Who is it, my hand fan, please?
Now, no dance on the kitchen.
Okay. Davido's sister. Dance for me, my dear. Okay. So nobody has big nyash that will add to the dance. Yes, I'll go and join that dance. Bring your mother, you go and dance with them. Are you not part of them? Yes.
That's the way it should be. I appreciate it.
Oh, you feel me? Oh,
No, get some.
Don't mind you.
So yeah, today we had a celebration at school. This was what we wore. The 30th birthday of where I'm working at. So I suppose I should have made this video in the morning, but also, well, let's say I was in a hurry, so I didn't make that. So this was what we wore. Let me put. Yes, baby. That's for assembly.